told y'all, today day 5 and I'm editing. I mean, yeah, today is day 5 and I'm still editing day 5's vlog. How would y'all feel? It's 2:50 and the vlog not long, so I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm finna get it done. And I just wanted to say hey and welcome to VLOGMAS Day 6. Right? My God, I'm confused. Can y'all believe I didn't do like this many videos in a row? Can't believe it. But yeah, I'm looking back. I shaved my head already and I'm finna to shave my face because I want to stop looking crazy. And I got a few things to do. So I'm gonna shave and I need to clean up the house so bad. And what else I need to do? Oh, I wanted to go to the mall and go to Five Below and get a gingerbread house. So it's 2:50. I'm still editing the vlog. I need to shave and yeah, I got all that stuff to do. Just pray for me. Just pray for me. I'm gonna be back when I get my life together, okay? I'm gonna be back when I start shaving. That's when I'm gonna come back. Alright. Alright. Y'all, look at the weather. Look at this. So I made it outside and I'm finna go to the mall to get these gingerbreads and I'll be back when I get to it.
Did last night. I came home, say around 2:45. Still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown and tantalizing. You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I felt. So shook, I had to catch my breath.
You know where to come and crash when your life a wreck. Walk there stressed, left with hickeys on your neck.
Okay, y'all, I'm home. I just walked in the house. I didn't film really in the mall because I feel like they be tripping, which is stupid. But anyway, I'm finna show y'all what I ended up getting from Five Below. So I got this gingerbread house making kit. I got this one, and then I got a Sour Patch one. It was just $5. I feel like that's affordable. And they say the skill level is 2. You can do it with your kids. You can do it with like your family. I'm gonna have my cousins come over, and we'll probably do something. We might film a video. I don't know. Just stay tuned. Check out Five Below. Get y'all gingerbread houses for the holiday. I'm excited for this one. I love Sour Patches, even though I'm not finna eat it. I ain't gonna eat it, but now I'm about to upload yesterday's vlog. Y'all gonna be seeing this today. Y'all gonna be seeing that vlog already. Y'all already know. Y'all know how it goes. But I'm gonna upload that and I'm about to shave and clean up and make me something to eat. So I'll check in with y'all in a second. Okay, I got a question. How tired of seeing me shave are y'all? Y'all tired of it yet? Huh? Oh, okay. Okay. Cause I gotta shave. I gotta do what I gotta do. If y'all want me to put some freaky designs or something in it, just tell me. I don't know, switch it up. I don't know if I should do like a chit chat when I do this. I don't have nothing to talk about. Like, vlogging is hitting me and it's hitting me fast. Huh? Like, literally a video a day. I got this though. I'm keeping up. I'm keeping up. I'm keeping up. So I actually want to take some hair off like down here. So, oh, I hope I don't regret this. I put a 2 guard on and we're finna go across the whole thing. We're finna do the whole thing. So hold on. Hello.
Hey, is there anything you can think of that we need from Walmart? I got eggs.
Do they have lubricant, personal lubricant? I'm just playing.
Yeah, my nerves.
I hope I didn't take it down too low. I'm a little spotty. It's okay, y'all. Know that. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. But okay, yeah. So now I'm gonna just fade that. You know, make that look good. Freak it up a little bit on their ass. and we're gonna be done with the shaving. I already shaved my head, and after that I need to clean up the bathroom, the kitchen, my room. Well, my room, I cleaned that already, so wash clothes, just, you know, regular household stuff. Today is a boring vlog. I'm in the house, don't say nothing. I'm doing the best I can. I'm great now. Okay, but yeah, okay. Just stay tuned, because I'm gonna get it together. Alright, we done. I feel like I didn't do like the worst job. It's decent. It's passing. It's passing me until next week. So I'm drinking something new today. It's the AHA caffeinated water. It's the Fuji and white tea one. Fuji apple and white tea. I don't know if I like it yet. I didn't drink the whole thing, but I still don't know if I would like get it again. But yeah, I'm about to clean up my mess and continue doing what I gotta do. Continue doing what I gotta do. I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm trying to get myself together. Can't even get myself together. Like, Jesus Christ. Let me get myself together. I don't know if I got any men subscribers or any men that really watch, but like, oh my God. Bath and Body Works got this men scent called Coffee and Whiskey. When I tell y'all, it smells so good. Well, to me, this is a cleansing bar. I hope it don't break me out. I just really love how it smells, so why not try to give it a try? So this is at Bath and Body Works, the cleansing bar called Coffee and Whiskey. And just look how good the packaging is. Look at this packaging. Why wouldn't you get it? Like, okay, I'll be back.
Sleeping out there, cheaping, rolling, 50, okay, about to lose it. The body on fire, who love me long till you get tired. Ooh, baby, you got what you's a real one, I'm inspired. Baby, I ain't cheating, now when the lights is I should put that game on, and do it all right here, baby, nice and slow. Baby, I ain't cheating, now when the lights is I should put that game on, and do it all right here, baby, nice and slow. When you touch me, body, you ain't second stupid. The body's on fire. Ooh, love me long till you get tired. Ooh, baby, you got what you so real one, I'm inspired. Baby, hey, chicky, now when the lights is I should put that game on, and do it all right here, baby, nice and slow. Yeah, baby. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move.
So we got a wax warmer in the front, like when you first walk in the door, and I'm trying to decide. Well, y'all know we bought like the holiday warmers from Walmart, the waxes from Walmart. So I'm just trying to decide which one you should put in the front. So this one is called Oh So Cozy. It really smells good. This really seemed like the best one, but let me see. Let me be fair. I'm gonna be fair. And this one is Frosted Birch. But that's too strong, got me coughing, so I'm gonna use this Oh So Cozy. And it's giving that vibe too, like holiday cozy vibes. I don't know. I need to go to Walmart and smell this. A lot of people are not Walmart people, but I am. I like both, so I don't know. Y'all need to try it. That's all I'm saying. I like to put 2 in there so you can really get that smell going. It's like, how you supposed to get these out though? Okay, so we'll put these up and then I'm gonna clean the bathroom and then I'm done cleaning up for the day.
I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, it's true. I wanna be down. Got to be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, I wanna be down.
Okay, that's done and oh damn. I still gotta eat, y'all. I still gotta goddamn eat some food. So but I stopped to look at like my comments because a video posted today at 7. It's been up for like almost an hour now. But I want to shout out Miss Divine Eaton 5638. She always commenting, showing love. I just want to shout her out. Teach Travels, even though we're still looking for them travels, girl. You did put something up. You did put something up lately. You did. Never mind. Who else? Tanisha Hicks. You always in the comments, girl. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always watching the vlogs. Thank you for uplifting. You know, just all the good comments you send me. Thank you for that. That's all I see like right now. But don't be offended if I didn't say your name. I'm just looking at one VLOGMAS video and just shouting out the ones I seen there. Please don't be offended. I'm so sorry if I forgot your name or no. I just wanted to give that little shout out because it just popped out to me that these names always stand out in the comments. So, and Ree, I haven't seen my girl Ree in the comments in a minute. I don't know. I hope she's doing okay, but yeah. I'm about to charge my camera a little bit more because this girl. One thing I noticed about the ZV-1 camera is that it go dead so quick. Like, I only been vlogging for like since about 2 or 3, and it's 8 o'clock now, and she blinking. She blinking red. I'm gonna take a little rest and watch a couple of the vlogs, people vlogmases for day 4. No, 5. I told y'all I'm confused. I'm finna watch people's vlogmases day 5 and just catch up on those, and then grab my camera and make some food so y'all can see what I'm finna eat tonight. So I can see what I'm finna eat tonight because I don't even know for real. But yeah, again, thank you to y'all that I shouted out, and just I love y'all, and just I'm gonna keep giving y'all content. All right, so yeah, let me charge this camera before it dies.
Baby, when we first met, I never felt something so strong. You were like my lover and my best friend, all wrapped in one with a ribbon on it. And all of a sudden, when left, I didn't know how to follow. It's like a shot that's spun me around, and now my heart's dead. I feel so empty and hollow, and I never give myself to another the way I gave it to you. Don't even recognize the ways you put me to. It's gonna take a miracle to bring me back, and you're the one to blame. And now I feel like, oh, you're the reason why I'm thinking I don't wanna smoke on these cigarettes no more. I guess that's what I get for wishful thinking. Should've never let you enter my door. Next time you wanna go on a leave, I should just let you go on and do it. Cause now I'm using like I believe. It's like a checked in rehab, and baby you're my disease. It's like a checked in rehab, and baby you're my disease. I got
crazy when your love swept. You do anything for the one you love. Cause anytime that you needed me, I'd be there. It's like you were my favorite drug. The only problem is that you was using me in a different way that I was.
Okay, y'all, so it's literally time for bed. I gotta go. I've done all I could today, so. And we gonna end day 6 of Vlogmas, and is this day 6, y'all? Yeah, we gonna end day 6 of Vlogmas, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 7.